My dear friends, I am your skin host, Dr. Manisha, and I am going to present to you a few video series in the coming weeks in which we are going to together bust some skin myths which we have been believing since so many years. We are going to stop believing these once we finish watching this video. So, what is that first skin myth that we are going to see this week? All natural, herbal, organic products are safe and healthy for my skin. That is the first myth that we are going to bust, my friends. What is a natural product? Just like any fruit, orange, mango, that is what we call as natural, which comes from a natural source, right? Now, how many days is a natural product going to remain natural is my first question to you all. Let's take an example of an orange fruit. Even if you keep an orange fruit in a refrigerator, how many days will it remain natural? 7 to 8 days max. So, every natural product has a shelf life. Am I right? And if I have to keep this natural product natural for a longer time, I will have to use something which we call as a preservative. So, of course, this preservative is some chemical compound, right? There are also some other products like binding agents or foaming agents, which are artificial agents used in skincare products, hair care products, which give it the necessary coating, or you can say the feel, the touch, the look, and they are all essential parts of the skincare products. So you cannot assure that a natural product which has that label, it's completely natural or organic, is totally natural. First things first. I hope you are getting what I am saying. Also, it's not true that all natural products will not have side effects or they will not cause any skin reactions. I have seen so many patients who have been using aloe vera or maybe tea tree oil, and they still have got allergies from it. So it's not true that natural products don't have any side effects. Alright, now let's see one more thing. For a herbal or an organic product to be truly natural, the plants or the trees from whose trees, leaves, barks or roots these products are made, they have to be totally chemical free or they have to be free from pesticides. Also, the soil in which it is grown has to be free from chemicals. It has to be totally organic. And after all this, if we start extracting the juice or the content from the natural product, that extracts should be totally natural too. It should be totally standardized. And after all this, even the preservatives used in it have to be natural. Now, whenever you buy a skin product, if it has this tag natural, organic, herbal, you need to check if all these criteria are fulfilled too. Then only you can say that it is a truly organic product. Am I right? Okay. Now, even if it is complying all these factors, what is more important is this natural product, skin product or hair product, complying with your skin type? Because it's not important if it is natural, if it is chemical, if it is whatever. It has to suit your skin type. That is what is essential, isn't it? And it has to heal the treatment for which we are going for it. It has to heal that condition. Then only it is useful for us. Otherwise, even if it is natural or artificial, how does it matter? So as a doctor, what I would suggest is, whenever you go for choosing any skin product, hair product or any other cosmetic product, instead of just watching the symbol, it's natural, organic, it is safe, it is the best herbal remedy for your skin type, you have to go and do the patch test or a trial test of that product if possible. So maybe your shin area or calf area, select a small area and apply that skin product over there and keep it for a few hours. Just check if it is suiting your skin type and if it is not creating any reaction. Similarly, you can go with hair products also. You can try a small area of your hair region or scalp region before actually buying the product, and only when you find that it is totally compatible and it is soothing for your skin, it is matching your skin type, then only you should go and buy that product. That is the best way to choose a proper cosmetic for your skin type, right? With that belief, I'm sure you are going to bust that mind from your mind that all natural products are safe and good to use. In the coming weeks, we are going to come with many more such videos and we are going to bust many more such myths. Stay in tune. Till then.